So good afternoon all. Welcome once again in the uh, fourth webinar of the series of 5 Excel Sundays. So today I'll just put on what we intend to do. We'll talk of top Excel tricks. Probably we do not use every day, but very effective. Top Excel tricks. Probably we do not use every day, but very effective tricks. This is what we do today. Hopefully everybody has received the files. Please open the files. We'll work together on it. These are simple tricks, very simple way of doing it, but very effective in itself. So let us just, I'll just share the screen. Please open your files and come to worksheet 1. Wonderful. So what we do today is we talk of the top Excel tricks we generally do not use in day-to-day life. So let us come to worksheet 1. Let us come to worksheet 1 and start working on it. Let us come to worksheet 1 and we'll start with very simple trick. Probably the first one some of us may be using, some of us may not be using, but we'll start from this. Okay, so we have on worksheet 1 we have few names out here. If I have to retrieve first name and last name, one way is to go through text to column way, right? I want first name to come in here, I want last name to come in here. One way is to go through text to column way. Other way is to go through a tool in Excel which we call it as flash fill. So we'll do few of the exercises on flash fill. See what are the uses, how effective and impactful it could become, what problems we can face. Then we go to the few tricks which become slightly more less used but very effective. Okay, so if I want this to be retrieved, if we are user of Excel, we would know that we could use something which we call it as flash fill, but right now or the text to column, but right now I'm not using text to column, I'm using something which is flash fill. What it is, so name is written Akriti Nigam, Abhishek Ray, Deepang Maurya, Deepika Seal, and so on, right? So first thing what I'll do is I'll just start typing Akriti. I start typing Akriti. I want the first name out here. Press enter. I'll tell you the 3 ways of doing the same thing. So just type Akriti. You can type it in caps also, then the caps will come out. All the names will be given out as in capital letters, but right now I have just typed in Akriti. Press enter. Right now, first way of using the flash fill is now start typing Abhishek. The moment you start typing Abhishek, you see these all names coming out, the first names coming out. Just press enter and this sheet is filled. First way of using flash fill, I'll tell you the 3 ways. The first way of using flash fill is what to do. Just start typing. Let us do it together. Just start typing Akriti. Type Akriti. Press enter. Now type Abhishek. The moment you start typing Abhishek, you will type A and B. The Abhishek will start showing and you will see in lighter colors. All other names are showing it below. Just press enter. The first name is retrieved. Same thing we can do for last name. One thing we need to remember in flash fill is I cannot go here or go down at some cell and try to do this. The data and what we are retrieving has to be nearby. So if I want Nigam last name to come out, if I want Nigam last name to come out, what I'll do is Nigam. Just type in Nigam. After do this thing, we'll do it again. Last name, just type in Nigam, press enter. Second way of doing the same thing. First way was I could start typing RAY. The moment you start typing RAY, see from the names, last name, which is the surname of everybody is coming out. You can see RAY here. All others are light. So I can press enter and fill it off. The second way of doing the same thing, let us do it this way now. Just type in Nigam. Just type in Nigam, press enter. Type in Nigam, press enter. Now press Ctrl+E. Now press Ctrl+E together. Type in Nigam, press enter. Now press Ctrl+E. Just try it out and let me know whether it is working or not. What we need to do, just type in Nigam, press enter, come out of it. Now press Ctrl+E as a shortcut. It fills off. This is the second way of using flash fill. Just try it out. You don't need complex formulas to retrieve this out. Otherwise, we would have done left, find all together to retrieve these data out. Or we would have used text to column. Right? Just try it out. I'll do it once again. Try it out, Asta. It will work. Just type in Nigam. Press enter. Press enter. Now press Ctrl+E. In this, it is not. If there's a middle name, then data at times, see, we are training Excel. We are training Excel and saying we want, the moment you type Akriti, the moment you type Abhishek, ABH, it understands you want the first name. If it's a mixed data, first name, some have the middle name, then we have to refine the data first. Okay. Now what to do? Now this can happen because it was probably Asta, we are using the older version. Just have a look at it. After this, you will be able to do a lot of tricks. There are few tricks which are available in later versions. Anyways, now this is done. Come to the last part of it. Come to the last part of it, which is this one. Suppose you have Mahesh Nigam, Abhishek Ray, Deepang Maurya, Deepika Seal written like this. Now it is already divided into two. I want it in the one. I want the full name to come out here. So Mahesh, just type in Mahesh, just type in Nigam. Just type in Mahesh, just type in Nigam. Press enter. Now there are three ways, as I said. Either you can start typing Abhishek. The moment you say Abhishek, it will take this. If you don't want to use this, what is the other way? The other way is press enter, press Ctrl+E. It will fill in. If still not working, what is the third way? Third way is you are here, you pressed enter, go to the home tab. On the right side, you see this fill. Come down and say flash fill. Come down and say flash fill. It will fill in. Just try it and let me know whether it's working or not. Just put a yes if it's working for all. The three ways. First way is just start typing. Second way, use Ctrl+E. Third way is go to fill and flash fill. Wonderful. Please confirm. If you want me to repeat, I'll repeat this one, Akash. What I'm saying, the last way could be just type in Mahesh, Nigam. So Excel knows what to do now. Press enter, come out of it. Press enter, come out of it. Go to home tab. On the right side, there's a fill option. Go to fill. Come down to flash fill. Click on flash fill. See, all gets filled. Three things are working the same way. One is a shortcut, other way is a training way, third way is a using a flash fill from the tab. Working? Probably shortcuts were not working. Now go and try the flash fill thing. It may work in a lot of other systems also. Done till this point? Please put a yes. I'll wait for a minute. Okay. Beyond this flash fill, a lot of things we do that will be available. Don't worry. So now, one thing more can be done. One thing more can be done. Suppose you want to add Mr. to it. Suppose you want to add Mr. to it. That means Mr. Abhishek Ray, Mr. Mahesh Ray, Mr. Deepang Maurya, and so on. So what we have to do? Just type in Mr. dot Abhishek Ray. Enter. Now press Ctrl+E. It understands it has to take Mr. Again, just try this way. Just try it out. Delete. What I'm saying, just type in Mr. dot, come out of it, Abhishek Ray. Press enter. Ctrl+E. See, all the names are with the Mr. You have to train it, Karthik. You have to train it accordingly. We need to see the data and then work. Yes, you can say ms dot, then also it will work. I'll come to that. Just give me a minute. In this one, we do the flash fill thing again. Now, Mr. Abhishek Ray done, but we need to understand something. If I do the same thing here, what I've changed, the data remains the same, but Mahesh Ray comes up first, then Abhishek Ray. Now see what happens. I put in Mr. and say Mahesh Ray. I put in Mr. dot Mahesh Ray and I press enter. Now I press Ctrl+E. Is it working correctly now? Just have a look at it. I did the same thing. I'm doing the same thing again. I did Mr. Mahesh Ray. Now I came down and pressed Ctrl+E. Is it working correctly now? We do it again. I am pressing Mr. I'm typing Mr. and saying Mahesh Ray. Pressing enter. Then pressing Ctrl+E. Ctrl+E. Is it working correctly now? It is not. Why? Because Excel thought that you are saying M and R of the first name and last name. So it is taking first name and last name, first letters. AR, DM, DS. DD. So if we get such data, what we have to do? We have to take the name Abhishek Ray up, then bring the Mahesh Ray down. It is giving you the initials, right? Excel was trained in a way where it is giving you initials. Or you can do it once again, then try it out. Excel has to be trained what to do. Is this clear? Excel has to be trained what is to be done. So I just put in Mr. If this was not working for some of us, I'll just take it again. Let us do this again. Then we go ahead. Just type in Mr. and say Abhishek Ray. Here it will work. Say Abhishek Ray. Press enter. There are three ways. I start typing Mr. Mahesh again. It will work. Second way, I press Ctrl+E. It will work. Third way, I go to Home tab. I go to the right side. I press on fill. I come down and say flash fill. It will work. But in this case, it was not working. Why? Because it is taking M and R from Mahesh Ray. So it is taking A and R in the second way. So Excel understands it this way. Now, come to this sheet. We have a lot of very interesting tips coming up. Let us run through this. If I have to create an email ID, one way of doing this is we could use concatenate, concat, text join, etc. Or we can use a flash fill. See how? I'll start typing an Akriti. I type in Nigam with a dot and I say @gmail.com. I've trained Excel that this name has to be converted in this way. I press enter. Now I press Ctrl+E. See, all the emails are done. Just try. See, either I could have used what? I could have just used a concatenate and other functions to join it. Here I'm using something which is, and when to use functions? When this name can change. If name changes, then if you are using flash fill, it will not show out here. But if you are using function, this will show out here. So you just try it out. Akriti.nigam @gmail.com. If you wanted A to be in small, you could have started with A small. That would have worked. Enter. Now press Ctrl+E. See, all the emails comes out. Just see. Please put a yes if it is working. I'll tell you very interesting use of it. We'll just discuss a very interesting use of it after this. Wonderful. Thanks for confirming. Let us come to worksheet 2. Let us come to worksheet 2. Now, just type in earning in rupees lakh at the top. This part is empty for you for the time being. Now we have details. Suppose there's a data sheet where somebody has written rupees rackets and he wrote rupees 31.14. This is in lakhs, right? So at some places he did not write lakh, at some places he did write lakh. What I just want the earnings to come out. Is the question clear? What I want is just the earnings to come out. That means I want 31.14 here, 49.08 here, 44.92 here. Let us do this together. Very interesting, very, very, very interesting. Otherwise, it will require a lot of very complex formulas. Right? So what we do? We start with typing 31.14. Just type in 31.14, which is the first entry. And I press enter. You start with type 31.14 and press enter. Now press Ctrl+E. See, it is done. But what is the problem? Try it out. What is the issue out here? Lakh in some cells. Lakh is coming out because it is getting trained that you have to pull number and whatever is after that. So what to do? Just come in here, come to the first lakh, delete this off and press enter. See, this is done. Let us do this again. Yes, there are some words coming with it. Let us deal with it. 31.14. Enter. Ctrl+E. This lakh is coming out. Just let us go here. Double click inside. Remove the lakh. Delete it off. Press enter. See, all the lakhs are gone. And you have the numbers out from this complex data. Very, 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 very tricky, which professionals use to clean the data. I'll take this again. This is a very important trick which a lot of professionals use across world to clean the data. So what I'm saying, I want the numbers to come out. I want the numbers to come out. 31.14 I typed in, right? 31.14. It comes out. Ctrl+E, the lakh, it comes out like this, right? Now what happens? What I want to do, I want this lakhs to be removed because I've already written rupees lakh at the top. So I double click here, I remove the first lakh and press enter. See, all the other lakhs will also go off. Only numbers are there. Just try it and please put yes if it is done. And also if it's an effective technique to bring out the numbers. Wonderful. Right, I'll take this again in case somebody has missed on last time. What I'm saying, yes, please put effective if you believe it is effective. 31.14 I've typed in. Yes, we are using flash fill only. Ctrl+E. You can go here and put the flash fill. You can go here and say flash fill. All the numbers will come in. Then come in here, delete this off, press enter. Everything is done. From the first column, you don't want, this is the header where you want to put it. From this, you see, once you get the numbers out, idea was to get the earnings out of it. I just want to show the earnings out of it. Then you can put in brackets, create another column and just bring the first names out of it. You will get the complete thing out. Anyways, let us come to worksheet 3. Let us come to worksheet 3 and see very interesting things. Now, at times the idea is we have few cells colored. You must be seeing we have few cells colored. If I want, it's a big data. I've taken a small just to show it to you or to discuss it with you. If I want all the places where we have incomplete data to be deleted, if I want all the places which has incomplete data to be deleted, so what to do? The way is, you have to press F5. In most of the system, it will be with function. Press F5. This window comes up. Go to special. Go to special. All these are blank cells, right? All these are blank cells, have no value, which are colored. Go and click on blank. Press OK. All the blanks get selected. Now press Ctrl-. Select entire row and say OK. See, all the rows which had any cells colored has been deleted. One time more, I'll take this again. Now you have places where you don't have the data. Just to analyze it better, you want all those rows which has any of the data missing not to be seen. You want that to go off. What you have to do, click anywhere on the data, press F5. In most of the system, it will be with function F5, Fn F5. Press F5. This go to window comes up. Go to special. In special, come down and select blanks and press OK. Press OK. Press OK. See, all the blanks get selected. All the blanks get selected. Now what to do? Press Ctrl and minus together. It will come, this delete option will come up. It is asking me shift cell left. No, what I'm saying, entire row. And OK. See, it goes off. Is it fine? Please put a yes if it is working. Very typical. In a large set of data, there would be data sets missing and we don't want it to be considered in the data itself for analysis. So we want those to be deleted. Right? If function F5 is not working, what to do? Press Ctrl+G. You will directly come to this go to special. Come down to blanks and press OK. All the blanks get selected. The moment blank gets selected, press Ctrl-. Go and select entire row and press OK. If function F5 is not working, just say Ctrl+G. Done? Wonderful. Let us come to worksheet 4. Let us come to worksheet 4. In worksheet 4, now the issue is the cells are colored, but we have something written out there. Right? But we have something written out there. Issue is these are colored, but we have something written out there. So these are not blanks. So now how to delete this off? Right? The cells are colored. I want to delete this off, but these are not blank. So what to do? Now let us do something. Press Ctrl+F to go to find and replace. This window will open up. Just go to press anywhere and click anywhere in the data, click Ctrl+F. This find and replace window will come out. Now it is asking find what? Just click on options. Just click on options. On the right side, you will see format. Click on format. In format, go to fill and select the same color, orange, and say OK. And say find all. I'll wait for a minute till all of us are till this point. I'll take this again till this point. What I'm saying, click anywhere on the data, press Ctrl+F. This is slightly tricky, so I'll go slightly slower on this. Ctrl+F. This is what is opening up. Find and replace. Click on options. Click on options. On the right side, you will see this format tab. Click on format. Select this orange color and press OK. And say find all. The moment you say find all, you will see at the bottom this is coming up. This will be coming up. Now what to do? This is already selected. Drag down till the last. Press a shift and select this also. All will get selected. Press a shift and click on this. All will get selected. Now close this off. Now do the same thing. Ctrl- entire row. Okay. Let us do this again. If we have missed it. How many of us have done this? Please put a yes. I'll take this again. Don't worry. I'm using 365. Right. I'll take this again from the very beginning. Right. So what you have to do? The first thing you have to do is press Ctrl+F. Ctrl+F. Right. This is how find and replace window will come up. Probably. So Ctrl+F. This is what find and replace comes up. Find what? Click on options. You will see this coming up. In options, there is one tab which is known as format. Click on format. Now wherever you are, come to fill. In fill, select the same color because I want to select it now by format. Press OK. Now say find all. Only first is found out. So say find all. All these will show at the bottom. So first is selected. Just drag down. Press a shift and click on the last. All get selected. Now we can close this off. Now say Ctrl- entire row and this goes off. Very effective. Otherwise you have to identify where are the colors, how to delete it off. You have to identify one by one the row. Hopefully this is done. Please put a yes if it is. Few of us, the versions, due to versions, there may be some options availability different. But please let us understand the trick and then go ahead. You will have the access to this recording, so you can go back and try it out on your systems later. Probably you did not select the last one, you did one before. Okay, let us come to worksheet 5. If this is done, let us come to worksheet 5. Now a very, very, very interesting trick. Very interesting. All of us will be able to do this. We have addresses which is written like this. House number is written here. The address is written here. The state is written out here. Sorry. The address is written here. The house number is written here. Address is written here. And the state is written out here. For all, these are the few addresses that I have. But the issue is house number is written here. Address written here. State is written out here. I want to convert this data to look something like this. I want to convert this data to look something like this. Right? I want to convert this complete data to look like this. Now what to do? Let us do few steps together. Let us do few steps together. Right? I want to convert this data to look something like this so that I can have a formatted data. Come to house number. In the first row, press equal to and link it to this cell. Retrieve the house number from there to here. Now click here, addresses. Say equal to and retrieve the address out here. Now come to state. Press equal to and retrieve the state out here. Do it again. I'm just putting equal to and retrieving the house number out here. I'm putting an equal to and retrieving the address out here. I'm saying equal to and retrieving whatever is there in C6 in the state. Now select this data. Select this data. Drag this to the end. You see all the addresses are retrieved in the same way because you have put in a formula that is relatively referencing to fill for all. Done. Now, how to bring it to this format? We have to bring it to this format. What to do? Click anywhere on the data. Now press Ctrl+G or F5, whatever you are using to go to for going to go to. Go to special and identify the blank cells. Press OK. All the blank cells get selected. Because you selected this much, all will go off. Just do once again. Select this data first. Because there are a lot of blank cells outside, it is selecting all for the time being. Press Ctrl+G, special, blanks. Okay. All the blank cell done. Now press Ctrl-. Instead of saying entire row, say shift cells up and press OK. See, your data is done. See, these are very small tips we probably are not using, but very effective. If this data is given, it will take days. If big data, it will take much time to get this done. Right? Everybody was through till this point. Everybody was through till this point, right? What to do if somebody has missed on? Select this data. Please keep on putting yes if it is done. Select this data. Press Ctrl+G or you can press F5. Or you can press F5. Now go to special, select blank and press OK. All the blanks are selected. Now press Ctrl-, say shift cells up and press OK. This is done. Right? Now, what we did in the formula was we just linked it. We said equal to and linked it. We retrieved the formula out here. Anyways, let us come to worksheet C, worksheet 6. Now, another very important tool, very less used. If the tricks till now are effective, please put a yes so that I also understand we are going the right way. Please put a yes in the next 10-15 seconds. Wonderful. Now, we have, thank you so much. We are on worksheet 6. We are on worksheet 6. Now, my requirement is there are few data which are repeated. There are few data sets which are repeated. Now, repeated means Aman Agarwal sales. Aman Agarwal can have any other department also, procurement. But I want to identify and delete of those data which are exactly same by both. That means Aman Agarwal sales, if Aman Agarwal sales gets repeated, that is where I want to understand this. So Aman Agarwal in sales or Aman Agarwal in any other department is fine with me. But I want to delete if suppose Dushyant Kumar is in sales and Dushyant Kumar is in sales. That means data has been repeated. So I want to delete of these duplicate entries. Right? My conditional formatting will not work because there it will identify all the duplicates that are there. So it will mark probably everything. So what we have to do is click anywhere on the data or select this data. Go to data tab. Go to data tab. Select this data. Go to data tab. On the right side in data tools, there is something which we say is remove duplicates. There is something which we call it as remove duplicates. Click on remove duplicates. Now it is asking me to remove duplicates from what? From names, from department, or to see a combination. Because both are ticked, it will look for combinations. If on the left side you look at it, Dushyant Kumar is repeated. Who else is repeated? Dushyant Kumar data is repeated, which is Dushyant Kumar sales, Dushyant Kumar sales. And then with Deepika sales, Deepika finance, it is not repeated. Aman Agarwal sales, Aman Agarwal, but this is website. This is also not repeated. So what else is repeated? If you can find more, Abhishek Ray finance, right? Now what to do? Press OK. Let us see how many were repeated. Press OK. 3 duplicates values and press OK. Now you have the unique values with you. On a larger set of data, this is very effective. How would you identify which 2 matching items are not are same? We have made a duplicate entry on a very large set of data. Duplicate entry has come in, but you are not just identifying duplicates out here. You are trying to identify duplicates as a combination. That means Abhishek Ray finance and Abhishek Ray finance. This has to get deleted. So what to do? Click, select the data. Select the data. Go where? Select the data. Go to data tab. On the data tab right side, very less used tools, remove duplicates. Let both get selected, press OK. The 3 duplicates are removed from here. Done. Let us come to worksheet 7. Let us come to worksheet 7. Very important, very important for any data analysis that we do, this trick. Why I am saying so is because these looks like numbers, but just select it off and see what you are seeing at the bottom. You are seeing only the count, not the sum. Why? The reason is these are numbers. If I click on this, we would understand these are numbers stored as text. So any calculation we'll try and do around it, it won't work. Why? Because these are numbers, but these are stored as text within the data. It looks as numbers, but these are text. I want to convert these to numbers. Let us see. Can I click here, go here and convert these to numbers? Probably not. It is not working. The best way to check whether it's a text or not, just select all the data. If you are only seeing count at the bottom and not the sum and the average, this is the text. Because addition cannot happen on this. Why? Because this is the text. But I want this to be converted to number. What to do? I'll tell you a very interesting tip. Let us do this together. Type 0 anywhere. Type 0 anywhere. Come to this. Copy this. Ctrl+C. Copy this off. Go and select the data. Go and select the data. Right click on it. Instead of pasting it, paste special. This window will come up. Now add it up. Now Excel understands you want to add the 0 to this. It's a text, so it will convert this to number to add 0 to it. Press OK. See, these are converted to numbers now. Now you can see average, count and sum at the bottom. If someone has missed on this, let us do this together. If someone has missed on this, let us do this together. The issue was these are text, and in a larger set of data, you cannot work on this data. So what to do? Just type in 0 anywhere. Press enter. Right? Go and copy the 0. Ctrl+C. Select this data. Right click. Go to paste special. In paste special, just say add. Excel directly understands you want to add this 0 to this. That means this has to be converted to number. Press OK. This goes off. Right? This comes in. So these are converted to number now. Let us come to worksheet 8. Let us come to worksheet 8. Let us come to worksheet 8. Now we want to convert, these are marks, but these are big. Out of 100, we want to convert these into percentage. What can be done? I want it to be written as 62%, 87%, and so on. What is to be done? I want this to be converted into 62%, 87%. What we can do is, what we generally do is we select this data and go here and change it to percent. But see what happens. The moment I change this to percent, it becomes 62, 100% because it takes 100. 62 is a 60 to 100%. So either I first divide it by 100 and then do it, which is 0.62, then convert it to percentage, will become 62%. Or I'll tell you another trick. Let us do one thing. Type 1% somewhere. Type 1% somewhere. Type 1% somewhere. Copy this. Copy this off. Select the data. Again, right click. Go to page special. This time multiply and say okay. Come back and delete this off. Try it out and let me know whether it's working. And whether it's an effective trick, please put a yes or say effective if you find these tricks to be effective. Please say effective. These tricks are effective and we rarely use these, right? And very effective, very used in the corporate world. Any professional will be using these. Thanks for confirming. Let us come to worksheet 9. Let us come to worksheet 9. Right after this, I'll again ask you few things. These are the names. I'm taking the same names again and again. These are the sales figure. I want the cumulative of the sales to come out here. I want the cumulative of the sales to come out here. One way we generally do is we say equal to, cumulative means 62 plus 87 should come out here, 62 plus 87 plus 83 should come out here, and so on. I want the cumulative to come in. Right? So one thing we do is we say equal to 62 equal to B3, and here I'll just link equal to this, put a plus sign and link it with this. So I'll get 149. Now if I drag this down, it will keep on giving me cumulative because it will be adding the previous one with the next one. It will be adding the previous one with the next one to give out here. Here it will add this plus this. So you will get a cumulative sales. Try it out and let me know whether this is working. Very simple. Very simple to understand, right? Just try it out. Whether this is working, I'll tell you the problem around this. Just say equal to. Link it to this. I want the cumulative of the sales to come out. I want Abhishek and Akriti race cumulative to be seen here. So what I'm saying, equal to this, put a plus sign and link it to this. Now I'm telling Excel add which is one up and add which is on the left. Enter. Now if I drag this formula down, Excel will do what? If I drag this down, here Excel will take one up and one on the left. So here it is adding this and this to give me 232. Same way it is doing the other. So I'm getting a cumulative out of here. Hopefully this is done for all. But the issue is there's a big issue in it. Issue is if I have to delete Deepang Maurya and Deepika Seal or any one of it, if I want to delete this data, I go here and say delete. See what happens to the rest. See what happens to the rest. See, cumulative was simple. You said equal to 62. Here you are saying this plus this. But the issue is when you drag it down, once you drag it down, initially it was working fine. But the moment you delete any of the data, any line, you see what happens to the rest. All goes as a reference error. That means if some graph is linked to this, that also goes as a reference error. But we want it to change. If I'm deleting something off, page special won't work, right? Because one entry is gone. So what to do? Let us create some other formula. Let us create some other formula which can be done. What we are saying is we use a sum equal to sum. Sum what? Sum this, put a double colon, you will see B3 to B3. I am adding B3 to B3 only and pressing enter. Come back to this B3, freeze the first B3. Freeze the first B3. Freeze the first B3. Right? So what we are saying, once you drag it down, this B3 will remain, 62 will remain this only. Now this B3 will become B4. That means you are adding B3 with B4 now. Just drag it down. See, all are filled. This B3 is what? B3 plus B4 is showing out here. B3 plus B4 plus B5 because this second entry is changing. Right? Now if I go here and delete this off, see it is working. See it is working. Just try it. I'll create the formula again. I'll create the formula again here. What I'm saying equal to sum, bracket open. What to add? Add this with this only. Enter. Now what I'm saying, add this with this only. Now what I have to do? Go and block the first B3. Enter. Now drag this down. It will work. Now drag this down. It will work. Right? So now drag this down. This will work. Wonderful. Come to worksheet 10, where we do some very interesting things now. Let us see how many we can do. I have 3 or 4 things to be done out here. Now, all of us must be using filter. All of us are using filter. I know how to filter it out. Somebody says filter out FinexcelAcademy. I'll filter it out from here. Right? If somebody is saying filter out Akriti Nigam, I'll go here, put the filters on from the home tab. I'll go here, put the filters, and I can filter it out. But what I want is, I want filtered data to come out separately, out here. That means whatever you are filtering out, suppose FinexcelAcademy you filter out. Here if I filter out, what will happen? I'll go here, say filter, select from here FinexcelAcademy, all the FinexcelAcademy data comes out. But I don't want that. I want this FinexcelAcademy data to be taken out from here and pasted somewhere else. This is what I want. Right? See the steps. Let us do the steps together. And the criteria which I want, not only the FinexcelAcademy data, what I want the criteria to look like this. Due date should be greater than 15th October 2019 and the bill should be raised by FinexcelAcademy. Just have a look at this first. What I'm saying, this is your due date column. I want due date, any due date which is greater than 15th October 2019 to be retrieved out, and the bill should be raised by FinexcelAcademy. Do one thing. First and foremost, go to this, right? Just do one thing. First and foremost, say equal to and retrieve it from this only, because if this does not match, you change the font or you put some spaces, it won't work. So what we do, go here, copy this and bring here and paste it so that there is no mismatch. Go here, copy this and bring it here and paste it. Right? Here you just type in greater than equal to 2019-10-15. Here you just type in FinexcelAcademy. Please make sure the spellings are right. If cannot, then go here, select this and then paste it here. If this is done, just do it. I'll wait for a minute. Type in due date, but don't type in due date, pick it from here, because otherwise there would be some mismatches. Pick the due date from here, paste it here. Very interesting way to retrieve the data now according to our requirement. Paste it at some other place. Once done, please confirm with a yes, so I'll take you to the next step. If you have any doubts, please do let me know that also. I'll just wait for a minute more for all to do this, because if you have not written this, this won't work. What I'm saying, just go here, click on this due date, select this and paste it somewhere else at one place. Next to it, say raised by. What I want to retrieve is any data which is from raised by, the invoice was raised by FinexcelAcademy, but after 15th October 2019. That I want to retrieve out and paste it somewhere else. So just type this due date raised by this and this, but make sure spellings are right, otherwise this won't work. Done? Come to worksheet 1 and any blank worksheet, open a new worksheet after this. We'll retrieve the data out here in this. Open a new worksheet at the end. Right? Click on the A1 cell. Click on the A1 cell. Click on the A1 cell. Go to data tab. Go to data tab and come down to advanced or filter. Click on advanced or filter. Select copy to another location. select copy to another location. When it is click here, it is asking you list range. That means from where the data is to be picked up. Go to the worksheet where you had the data. Where you had the data. Select the data. Select the data. Select the data. In fact, I'll go to this worksheet because I have created it out here. So I go here and select the data. It is asking me criteria range. In the sheet where you have written this, go and select this from here. Go and select this from here. Now it is asking me where to copy. I go and click here and I press OK. See, only the, I'll just increase the size of it so that we understand this. All the data from FinexcelAcademy, which is after 15th October 2019, has been retrieved out here. From a larger set of data, only the data which was for 2000 greater than 15th October 2019 has been retrieved out here. If done, please say yes. If you want me to repeat, please let me know. I'll do that again. Wonderful. We'll repeat it fast. What we do? I go to A1 cell where I want to paste it. Right? Go to advanced. Go to advanced. Click on copy to another location. So all three will open up. All three will open up. In list range, go to where you have the data. Select the complete data from the top. Select the complete data. It is asked, click on the criteria range. You will brought back to this sheet. Don't worry. Go back to the 10 sheet where you have written all the due date and raised by. Select these two together. Now come to this. Where you want to paste it is here. And press OK. See, your data has come out. Now it is formatted because I've already done the formatting. Otherwise, you can just select this off, press a shift, select this off, drag it a bit, you will get the formatting in. Hopefully this is working and amazing. I'll tell you a better trick than this. If this is working, please do let me know. You are retrieving a filtered data out from a larger set of data. Now, do one thing. Suppose somebody says, I don't want all the data to come out. I don't want invoice number, due date, amount, raised by, everything to come out. I am creating a sheet. I'm creating a sheet where I only want the invoice number and the amount to be retrieved. But the condition should be same. It should be from FinexcelAcademy and greater than 15th November, after 15th October 2019. This is what I want. But I want to create either a retrieve all, then I go here and delete the rest. This is one way. But can I retrieve only invoice number and amount? Let us see if we can. Let us create some space out here. Let us create some space out here. Click on A1 again. Click on A1 again. Right? What you want out here? Invoice number. Go here, copy this invoice number and paste it here. Last trick we do today. Click on amount. Go here, copy this amount, paste next to it. Just increase the size so that it fits in. Here I am just copying the invoice number. Why I am copying, not typing, because there may be a mismatch. So I am bringing it out here directly by copying. Amount. I put the amount out here. Right? What I've done, I've created some spaces. Now from this, I'm just pulling up invoice number and amount and pasting it out here. Click here. Click here. Go to advanced. Click anywhere outside here. Go to advanced. Not within the data. Click anywhere outside here. Go to advanced. Go to copy to another location. List range. Same steps. Go back to this. Select the list. Control shift right arrow. Control shift down arrow. Criteria range. Again go to 10 sheet. Same steps. Go up. Go up and select these two criterias. Now it is asking you where to paste. Go and select these two and press OK. See, only your invoice numbers and the amount has come out. Just try it on. Let me know whether it's working. your invoice number and amount has come out from with the criteria that it is greater than, due date is greater than 15th October 2019, raised by FinexcelAcademy, and out of the complete data, your steps, you will be able to do it, right? But these are very effective tricks. We extensively use these to retrieve the data, to find out, to retrieve the right values, to find out, to create something like this, and in day-to-day life. So what we do today is we'll close for the day. Please wait, because we have to fill the attendance form to get the certificates. Before we go off, as usual, we need to understand what next. We need to understand what next, right? So we need to understand what next. So I'll take you through what next. That will be done. I have to do that. Anyways, so we started with advanced charts and graphs. We said 5 Sundays, right? Today is the 4th. So we started with advanced graphs and charts and visualization techniques. We went on to most used formulas in Excel. Then we went on to analyze data using the power of pivot table. Today we are doing topmost effective tricks. Today we are doing topmost effective Excel tricks we probably do not know. This is what we are doing today, right? Now, what next? What next? As usual, what next time? Let us unleash, because we have one more Sunday to go before, if very good response comes in, we'll think of one more. But right now, what next? Let us unleash the power of advanced conditional formatting in Excel and see how dynamic formatting works. Next Sunday. Please register fast today once the link is shared. So let us unleash the power of advanced conditional formatting and see how dynamic formatting works in the real world. For data, effective data visualization, we'll talk of a lot of things out here. So unleash the power of advanced conditional formatting Excel is what comes next. Next, what next? There is something which I wanted to announce last time. What next? If you are a UG or PG student studying in any of the Indian institutes or university and you know Excel, we have come up with something very interesting. I'll share the details right now. Just give me 5 minutes before we share the link. That is Battle on Excel. This will be one of the biggest Microsoft Excel competition for students in India on 31st July and 1st August. 3 rounds. The prizes, I'll share you the details. Just give me a minute.